Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0882SA, color code 005. It's a gold color frame. On the temples here, we have a Gucci writing in gold engraved in the temple. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with a Gucci logo engraved. The lenses are a red gradient color and has a Gucci logo engraved in the top right lens. The style of this frame is fashion square. Up here we have a Gucci case. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as the pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.